To create a stoplight style guide project, you're going to make sure that you're logged into the workspace first, and then you can click on this plus button in the top left corner. You're also going to want to click on the style guide button in the middle of the screen, and then type in whatever you want your style guide to be called. So for this case, we're going to call it demo style guide video, and then we're going to add it to the demo group. We'll click the create style guide, and this will take you to the Stoplight Studio editor. From here, we can select manage style guides, and we can enable or disable whichever style guides we want to use as a base for the style guide. So if we want to use Stoplight public style guide, and then combine a couple, and then also add some custom rules on top of it to create one style guide, we can do that. So we'll hit save. This will load in the rules that are now being inherited for this style guide, so Stoplight style guide and enforce HTTPS. You can also click the plus button right here to create a custom rule. So whatever you want your rule to be, you can create it over here. For this case, we're not going to do that though. We can then publish any of the rules that we've made or added together. That will save it. We can also put a commit message if we want. When we have saved it, now we can go back to our workspace. We can see all the rules that were loaded in to the style guide. So we have errors and warnings and information. We can also go back and we can go to any of our projects that we want to use it on, and we can click the edit button. We'll click styles, and then we'll click manage style guides in here. From here, we can select which style guides we want to use to lent against. So for this one, we'll use that demo style guide video shared style guide, hit enable. When we hit save, it'll show us all of the rules that it's now inheriting. And then we can go back to our YAML file to lent against all of those rules. So now they're lenting against that style guide we just created.